Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the top 3 hidden features of the brand new Lenovo Tab K11 Gen 2. So let's get started. Number 1. First of all, open settings. Now scroll down from the left side. Then tap on battery. After that, here you turn on the battery percentage option. Now you will always see the exact battery percentage in your status bar. Number 2. In the settings, just scroll down from the left side. Then tap on General Settings. After that, tap on Taskbar and turn on the Taskbar option. Now you will get a taskbar at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can easily switch between apps with just one tap. Number 3. In the General Settings, here you tap on Quick Gestures. Then tap on Swipe Down with 3 fingers option. After that, here you select Screenshot. Now whenever you swipe down with 3 fingers, your tablet will instantly capture a screenshot. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.